Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you have problems with FaceTime, how you can fix it. So first thing you need to check is just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here FaceTime. So just find FaceTime here, just open it, and just try to just check if you turn on here. And also you can try to reconnect it, reactivate, so just turn off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. So sometimes it also helps to restore your FaceTime, and if it doesn't help you, you can also try to go back to the settings and just find here general, and in the general you just choose scroll down to shutdown, so just tap on shutdown and just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just restart your phone. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to go to general again and just find here reset, just open the reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap here, tap for resetting network settings, and sometimes it helps too. And the last thing you can also try is just tap in one time low volume and power button until you will see here Apple logo. So just wait until you will see Apple logo. So when you will see it, just release 2 fingers from these 2 buttons. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.